The Moon. The Moon is Earth's only natural system. The Moon is a cold, dry orb whose surface is studded with craters. The air is strewn with rocks and dust. It has no atmosphere, dark areas, mountain ranges, and impacts from other craters. The same side of the Moon always faces the Earth.
The moon has 8 phases: new moon, crescent, first quarter, gibbous, full moon, waning, third quarter, and crescent. At new moon, it's lined up between the Earth and the Sun, making that the Earth we can see the part of the moon that it's not being lit by the Sun. In short words, we can see the part of that it's not lighted by the Sun. A curious fact: when the moon is exactly lined up with the Sun, we experience an eclipse.
As the moon moves eastward away from the sun, we see more light in the sun. It just takes a few days to see a thin crescent in the western sky. When the half of the moon's disk is illuminated, it's called the first quarter moon. It's called like that because the moon in this state is now 1/4 of the way through the lunar month.
When the moon's disk is more than a half illuminated, it's called gibbous. The gibbous grow fatter every night until the sunlight illuminates the complete face of the moon. That's called full moon. In this phase, the moon rises almost exactly as the sun, and by this phase, the moon has now complete 1/2 of the lunar month.
During the second half of the lunar month, the Moon grows thinner each night. We call this waning. Its shape is still gibbous at this point, but grows a little thinner each night. As it reaches the third quarter point in its month, the Moon once again shows one side of the Moon as it is illuminated and the other side in darkness. However, the side that we saw dark at the first quarter phase is now the light side. As it completes its journey and approaches new Moon again, the Moon is waning crescent.
That's all for our presentation. But wait, did you know that? There's a thought that says that the moon is not actually a moon, instead, it's a planet. This thought says that the moon has a close size to the Earth. Many people consider the Earth and the moon to be a double planet system, because actually the moon revolves around the sun.